Today's topic is to convert a string of a dictionaries into the dictionary. There are two methods to solve such kind of a problem. Method one, that is by using a json.loads method, and the method two by using an ast.literal evolve method. Let's start from the first method, that is by using an json.loads method. So first we are going to import our library, that is we are going to import the loads from our JSON, and after that we are initializing our string, and after that we are going to use a loads method with the parameters which we are passing as a string number one, on which it's going to have our iteration work on our iterable, and after that we are storing those values into the dictionary one variable, and we have them as an output. Now, even though if you can check it like the type of it, so you might be wondering like how can we differentiate between a string and a dictionary one, since they both look out the same. So you can even check it like the type of it. So let me check the type of a string one. So the string one belongs to our string class, while the dictionary one belongs to the dictionary class. So you can say that we have successfully converted our string of the dictionaries into the dictionary.